Okay kids, it's time for math time. So before that, let's do the counting. Okay kids, so the last week itself we finished 1 to 30 now. Yes, so this week onwards, ma'am, I am adding 10 more numbers. So this week onwards, we need to repeat from 1 to 40. Okay kids, let's do the counting now. Everybody stand up. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. 30 after, come on, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Okay kids, so daily you have to repeat the counting from 1 to 40. Okay kids, today our concept is more or less. More or less. So first I am showing these objects here. See this bowl. So which bowl has more chalk piece? Which bowl has more chalk piece? Come on. Repeat now. Yes. Fantastic kids. So this bowl only has more chalk piece. This bowl only has more chalk piece. Now you see which one is very less chalk piece? Which bowl has very less? Yes, this is. So this bowl has very less number of chalk piece. This is more. This is less. Okay kids, ma'am, I am showing another one example over here. See, in this bowl I filled with chana. See, black chana. I filled with black chana. Can you see these objects here? See, which bowl has more chana? See here. Which bowl has more chana? Excellent. Good job. See, this bowl has more chana. See, this bowl has more chana. This one, this bowl has very less. This is very less. Okay kids, can you understand? Can you understand more and less? Can you understand? Yes. Now likewise, we are going to do one sum here. Here we are going to do the sum regarding more or less. More or less. So in the first sum, I am drawing stars here. The left side, see, the left side, how many stars over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The right side, 1, 2, 3. Am I right? While comparing these two stars, which side you can see more star? So which side you can see more star? You need to put a 4, more means you need to put a tick. Okay kids, which side you can see more? Yes, this is the one. You need to put a tick. Which side you can see less star? For less star, you need to put a cross. Which side you can see a less stars? The right side. You need to put a cross. Okay kids, now see the second sum. So on which side you can see more balls? Which side you can see more balls? Excellent. Good job. For more means we need to put a tick. Yes. Without counting, if you see the object now only, we can find out which side more and which side less. Okay kids. Now, which side you can see the less balls? Which side you can see less balls? Absolutely correct. This is less. Less means you need to put a crass. Am I right, kids? Can you understand this concept? Yes. The same worksheets also you have in your workbook. You have to do the more or less concept. Okay, kids, at your home, you have to do the activity regarding more or less. So, ma'am, I showed you two objects here. At your home, what things you have available. So, you can do the more and less concept activity. Okay, kids.